Welcome to Hi Tutorial. In this video, we will see how to create a free website on WordPress. Stay tuned and let us get started. First step, write down your email address, choose a username, and strong password. Step 2, choose a domain name to host your website. WordPress will give you a free domain name of registration if you choose example.com, while a domain name which comes with WordPress.com is completely free. Step 3, choose your hosting plan. We will definitely continue with free. And now, you have one of 3 options to choose, and you can go back change an option later on. In this case, let's build our website. Then, let's select a specific theme to customize our website. And here it's our website dashboard. We still have to edit and add some of things before publishing. When you finish editing, click on Save, and your website is ready. Finally, create a post and publish your website with the world. Post is published. Click on View Post to see your website. Here is the website we created. You can back to dashboard for editing and adding other items. If you see this video useful, hit a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Peace up.